English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to a very festive The English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Rob. Happy Christmas, everyone. And to you, Feifei.
Oh, thanks. But you know what, Rob? I don't feel very festive.
Festive? Look, I'm wearing my Christmas jumper. We've got mince pies and, I think it's snowing outside.
That's not snow, it's rain, Rob. But I just think there is something missing, something that would make us feel more Christmassy.
Oh, presents?
Not presents.
Christmas crackers?
No, it's not those. I know what's missing. It's people. We need more people to make it feel like a Christmas party.
Oh, what's wrong with just me?
You're okay, Rob, but you know what they say? The more the merrier.
Right, you mean the situation or occasion would be better or more enjoyable if lots of people joined in. More people equals more fun.
Exactly.
OK, well, I'll try to find some people for you, Feifei, while you enjoy some examples.
Is it okay if I bring some of my friends to the party tonight?
Of course it is. The more the merrier.
Why don't you come skiing with us? We've got room in the car. The more the merrier.
We've got our office brainstorm later. Please join us. The more the merrier.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English. It's almost Christmas, so I want a party with lots of people in the studio. As the saying goes, the more the merrier. The more people there are, the more enjoyable the situation. Don't you agree, Rob? Rob? Oh, where's he gone?
Don't worry, Feifei, I'm here, and I've found some people for you.
Hi, Feifei.
Hi, Roy.
Hello, Feifei.
Hello.
Hey, Feifei.
Hi. Wow, all my Learning English chums. But it's getting a bit crowded in here now.
Hello! Hi! Great to see you! Hey!
Yay!
Woohoo! Party time!
Yeah, save some room for me.
Squeeze in, Rob. The more the merrier.
Oh, OK, excuse me. All right, OK. Oh, yeah, it is a bit of a squeeze. There, I'm in.
Oh, not again, Rob. What is that? Oh, have you been eating chicken? What are you having for dinner?
Oops. Sorry. Too many Brussels sprouts, I'm afraid.
Is that the time?
Get out of here.
Yeah, I gotta go. Right.
You ruined my life.
Oxygen!
Bye.
Now look what you've done. You've ruined our Christmas party. It's not so merry now.
Oh, well. Happy Christmas, Feifei.
You too.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.